You're watching India Today with me, Nabila Jamal. The showdown over farm laws continues. Farmer leaders have now announced a Chakka Jam on February 6th from 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. against the arrests of innocent protesters, internet suspension and sealing of roads. And with the protests now continuing for day 69, presence of farmers have been increased by the day at the Ghazipur border in view of security being scaled up exponentially. Police are now camping at the sites, not just the main highway, but the service lanes have also been blocked there. Even emergency services are not allowed on these roads. Concrete barricades have been put up in the area. Barbed wire fencing has also been erected. Similar security measures can also be seen at Singhu border, wherein iron rods between two rows of cement barriers have been placed to restrict movement of protesters. Now, these measures are coupled with blanket internet ban prevailing at these protest sites.
इंतजाम नहीं है, सरकार की नाकामी सामने आ रही सारी। ये सारी नाकामी है सरकार की। कोई हम टेररिस्ट आतंकवादी हैं क्या? हम तो अन्नदाता हैं, कमाते हैं, औरों को भी खिलाते हैं। लेकिन ये सरकार की बहुत बड़ी नाकामी सामने आ रही सबके। हम भी समझ गए। अब सरकार हमारे से डर रही। सरकार अब खुद समझ रही मैं क्या गलत कर रही, क्या सही कर रही। अब सरकार की आंखों में खुद डर है हमारा।
कुछ तरीका है इनका, ये सारी बात आप अपनी रख रहे, हमारी भी तो रख लो केनिशी।
अरे रास्ता रोकेंगे,
थोड़ा सा हमें भी तो रखो।
रोकेंगे किसान,
रास्ता रोकेंगे किसान टोक रहे हैं। क्या ये इतनी बुद्धि लोग कि हमारा रास्ता रोक कर रखेंगे? किसने बुद्धि दी है? सरकार नहीं है, ये सरकार का काम ही नहीं है।
हमें दिल्ली जाना ही नहीं। ये तो जनता के रास्ते में कील लगाई इन्होंने कि जनता ना जा सके। जितने जनता के रास्ते बंद होंगे, जनता को सब पता कि कौन बोल नहीं रहे, पता सबको, सब मिलते हैं हमसे कि हम कोरोना काल काटा, हम बंद हो जाएंगे, हटना आ जाइयो, मर जाएगा जनता। रोटी तिजोरी में जाने वाली है, उसको बचा लो, मर जाएगी जनता।
Barely a kilometer away from where the protest is taking place, barbed wires have been put up at the Ghazipur border. The police is on its heel. The administration is leaving no stone unturned to barricade and fortify the entire area. Barricades have been put up along with the barbed wires. Heavy police deployment. Police personnel are present wearing riot gear. The administration does not want the farmers to move from the site and enter the national capital. Water cannon too is prepared just in case things go out of hand. The administration remembers very vividly what happened on the 26th of January, and they do not want the farmers to be moving from the site into the national capital, which is why this entire area has been cordoned off. Barricades have been put up, and the police personnel here say they have been given clear instructions of making sure no one enters from the protest site into the national capital. This is Aishwarya Paliwal reporting from the Ghazipur border with camera person Nasir Khan.
All right, I'm going to cut across to Anisha to give us more details right from the Singhu border. Anisha, we are looking at some serious security measures that's been taken and security deployment that's been carried out by the police force. And at a time like that, we're seeing more farmers gathering along those border areas and are now adamant to carry out a Chakka Jam on the 5th of Feb. What is this agitation that they plan to carry out, and what's the situation like you see right behind you?
Well, Nabila, I'm right now outside the first line of barricading on the highway at the Singhu border. What you see behind us is where the civilian vehicles, that is any commuters coming in from the Delhi side, are being turned back. About 2 kilometers behind this barricade is where the protesters actually sit. There are 6 lines of barricading all the way till where the protest line is, and all of these are a series of concrete barricading along with razor wires, along with metal barricading, and hundreds of police and paramilitary personnel who've been deployed here. There's a lot of security that has been put up here. In addition, between the first stage of protesters, between the first line of protesters, that is the Kisan Mazdoor Sangharsh Samiti and the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha, which is the larger stage towards the Haryana side of the border, is also about a 100-meter long police chhavni that has been created where senior police officials as well as these paramilitary forces are there. Their metal containers containing sand as well as poured concrete barricades with these sharp sariyas to use as nails to stop anyone coming in from the Haryana side have been set up. So a very, very heavy security cordon has been set up here. You can see about 2 kilometers away is where our cars, our OB vans, etc. have been stopped, and internet access, of course, is stopped. The Kisan Morcha has, in their statement that was issued yesterday, has said that they are criticizing these moves by the government and by the police. They are saying that this constant blocking of internet is a violation of their rights. They've also said that the local people are being inconvenienced by this long blockade of the road that has been created. And as far as the Chakka Jam is concerned, on 6 February, that is between 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock in the afternoon, that is where the call for the Chakka Jam has gone out. It is not going to be just Delhi, but the call has gone out across the country to various associations and farmers' bodies that are supporting this protest for a Chakka Jam across the country on the 6th of February between 12 and 3. And this the farmers are saying is to register their protest because of the way the government is trying to restrict their movement.
Right.
Back to
Let
you.
me cut across. Thank you, Anisha. Let me cut across to Ashutosh reporting from the Ghazipur border. Ashutosh, we know that Ghazipur is seeing more number of farmers come in and join the agitation. The police force have stepped up their security measures as well. Barbed wires, iron fences. These are unprecedented scenes that we're seeing along the border areas. What are the farmers really saying? What next for them?
Well, the kind of security arrangements that we see from the police and the security agencies to prevent any further untoward incidents, many are saying that the same could have been arranged, same could have been made and placed even on the Republic Day that even could not have happened. However, since it's continuing, it's the 69th day, and the farmers, those who are sitting here at Ghazipur, Rakesh Tikait, every often and maybe after 30 minutes, he's making speeches. We just saw Medha Patikar joined in, Sanjay Rao, the Shiv Sena leaders also met, and Rakesh Tikait announced that we are ready for a long haul, even if it takes October 2021. So clearly from the Ghazipur, it has been announced that they are ready for the long haul. At the same time, there are Khap Panchayats taking place. There are several Panchayats taking place in Western Uttar Pradesh, in Haryana, and these states. And that's clearly now going to give a political jolt to the ruling establishment because these Panchayats are mobilizing number of farmers and supporters and asking them to go and extend their supports on these borders where these farmers are sitting for the agitation. So that's now giving in another narrative and perspective clearly when these states are under pressure. We have seen what has happened on the Ghazipur, and this is clearly just aftermath of post when we saw Rakesh Tikait crying with tears here on the Ghazipur border. So the farmers have announced they are here for a long haul. Let's see how it goes.
We've heard them. We've heard them. Ashutosh, do stay with us. In fact, Akshita gives us some details on the situation that's currently at the protest site. Let's take a listen along the borders. What's the situation now?
Let's tell you what the situation is at different borders of the national capital where farmers are protesting. First, at the Ghazipur border, where things are escalating as a huge number of farmers have gathered there. Internet services have been completely stopped. Highway as well as the service roads now have been blocked and closed down. Concrete barriers have been put in place. Barbed wires have also been installed by the officials there. Drones have been deployed across the Ghazipur border to keep a constant vigil of the situation and ensure there's no breakdown of law and order. What about the Singhu border? Here too, internet services have been snapped. Again, across Singhu border, you've got iron rods that have been placed, and this is between cement barriers that have been installed. Drones have been deployed here too to keep a constant vigil. At the Tikri border, another site where farmers have been protesting for about 2 months now, again internet services have been snapped. Here too, the roads have been closed off for protesters. Roads have been studded with nails, barbed wires have been used, again cement barriers have been installed, and drones have been deployed here too by police officials to constantly check the movement on the ground.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.